Hello YouTube. This is just a quick video on how I make char cloth. Make it real simple. I found the best material, at least it works for me, is to use an old pair of denim jeans. I cut it in strips like that. Then I'll cut it down about that, and then I'll just roll this up into nice little tight pieces like that, and then I'll put it over here in this Altoid skin. I got a little hole. I put a nail and put a hole in it on this side, and I just put that stuff in there. You see, I still got some I did last night in there, and I'll end up with pieces like this. And I found that yeah, it makes real good char cloth. I'm gonna light this piece that I got sitting here on the scissors. You have to forgive me. I don't have my my tripod. Broke on me, so I got another tripod coming, but I wanted to light this with this ferro rod, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a lighter to it and just show you how fast it lights. There you go, and if you can see, it lit pretty good right there. Anyway, this is just a quick video. It's kind of crappy because of no tripod, but I found this is a real easy way to make char cloth, and it's a whole lot easier than really buying it. But I mean, if you want to buy it, there's plenty of this on Amazon and other places. But yeah, just an old pair of jeans, you can make your own. And every time that I grill something, I'll go ahead and make a batch up, throw it in here. When I get done grilling, I'll put it in the grill. I'll leave about 10 minutes on one side, 9 minutes on the other side. Pull it out, let it cool down, and you have some real good char cloth. Okay, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.